Hey, welcome back to the channel, and today we are back with another rack store pickup from my local Burlington. I finally am trying this fragrance that I have seen a million times at the rack stores. It's a staple. Usually I find it at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, but I have seen it pop up at Burlington periodically. However, I haven't seen the bigger bottle, the 100 ml, at this particular price. There's a potential here for a lot of value if you guys are able to find this one, but obviously I haven't tried it yet. That remains to be seen. The scent I'm talking about is Chrome United from Azzaro. And as you can see, I paid $27.99 for the 100 ml. And you guys have mentioned this one quite a few times in your weekly rotations. It's one that I've wanted to try for a while now. I am a fan of the Chrome Azzaro line. The OG is probably my favorite. Actually, you know what? Pure is probably my favorite, and then the OG after that. So I'm excited to give this one a try, see if this one might be sort of an undercover sleeper. Let's bust it open. As always, I'm going to try it on skin, but first, I'm going to try it on strip, see what I pick up, take a look at the notes, then try it on skin, see how much it changes, and then let you guys know if this one is worth your money. So let's get into it. For the most part, this is one that I've wanted to try for a while, Chrome United from Azzaro, and I like the presentation. Reminiscent of other chromes in the line. However, this one I want to say is a little bit different than your extreme bottle, your pure bottle. This is a little more squared off. Similar cap, but a little bit different of a presentation. And then it has that sort of those, I don't even know what you would call those, kind of stamped on grooves. And then you have it at the bottom as well. So, all right, let's check the atomizer. Really nice atomizer on this one. Wow. Okay. Gotta spray this one a lot. Let's fill the room. It smells like a light scent. Okay. Really aromatic, fresh. Yeah, citrusy. It's a little green. Really nice musk. Maybe a slight fruitiness in here. Not picking up a lot of woods or anything, but it's musky, it's green, it's fresh. Has a little bit of an aquatic vibe. Okay, there's a slight herbal note to this. I don't know much about this one. It's really nice though off a strip. Super fresh. Reminding me of the OG a bit, but with less of that metallicness to it. Okay, it's getting a little powdery now. Wow, this thing is changing a lot. And that's off a strip. I'd be curious to see what this does off a skin. It smells really nice. Really good quality. Super fresh. Has a slight sweetness. Wow, this is kind of checking all the boxes for me. Really nice, fresh scent off a strip. Safe, easy. You probably smelled something like this before, but picking up almost like a tonka bean, slightly. It's powdery, but almost like a vanillic powderiness. Not comparing it to this in terms of like scent profile. It's, well, maybe it's similar to the scent profile of something like a Missoni Wave, which I have not heard this compared to before, but the way it's structured and built, it reminds me of that. This is really nice. Okay. I'm going to take a look at the notes really quickly, get this on skin, see what it does, see how much it changes, and go from there. But off a strip, I'm impressed so far. This one's nice. So the notes for Azzaro Chrome United. Top notes are bergamot, coriander, and Szechuan pepper. Mid notes are violet leaf and black tea. And the base notes are white musk and cedar. There was another Dolce & Gabbana fragrance that I tried, and it reminded me of that as well, slightly. Love is Love. And it again, not that they smell exactly alike, it's just how they're structured is similar. I was shocked to see that there's not a vanilla note in here or some type of tonka There's a creaminess to it. It could be coming from the woods. It could be coming from that cedar, but I don't know. I tend to lean towards there being vanilla in here, just not listed as a note. Wow. Okay. This one's different. It's unique. It's a little more soapy on my skin. Slightly more metallic off a skin than what I was getting off a strip. Does smell a little synthetic. It's a cheaper fragrance. A lot of Azzaros are cheaper, and especially from this particular line, the Chrome line, they're a little more synthetic smelling, but not necessarily in a bad way. I'm not really picking up a lot of that tea note off of skin. It was more herbal on the strip for me, maybe slightly, but it almost is a little more spicy on my skin than it was off of the strip. This is really an easy reach for, I would say, warmer weather. This would be ideal. It does have that aquatic nature to it, probably coming from that violet leaf. Although the violet to me is not super pronounced, it's not up front. Mostly what I'm getting here is that musk, little bit of juicy sweetness coming from that bergamot, and then the coriander and the Szechuan pepper adding a really nice spiciness to this. Those woods, and again, an undertone of creaminess that is really making the scent for me. I think if it didn't have that, it would be a little less unique. You've smelled this before. You've smelled something similar to this before, but what is sort of adding a twist for me is that vanilla. And it's definitely there, at least to my nose. So I know it's not a listed note. It's what I'm picking up. But overall, I'm really digging this one. As always, I'm going to wear this today. I'm not wearing a fragrance today, so I will wear this today. It's a little cold outside, not usually the one I would reach for, but I'm going to be in the house working most of the day. So I will try this and let you guys know in my weekly wears video how long it lasted, what type of performance I got from it. Not expecting much. These don't typically last. Azzaro Extreme, Chrome Extreme is probably the best performing fragrance they have. For situations, I would probably wear this. Safe office setting, during the day, easy down reach, running errands. It's that type of fragrance, but a really nice one at that. Be curious to see what my wife thinks of this one. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of Chrome United from Azzaro. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.